Okay, so what we have here is a book. Now, I've been looking forward to this book for a long time. I have read it, but not in this format. This is a really, really nice book. So, let's just go and open it because I've been waiting for this for ages. Yeah, that didn't work very well. Okay, so we got paper. We like paper. Okay. We got a diary. Ooh. Not entirely certain I'll use that, but hey, it's nice to have. Oh, not seeing that. Magazine with various things in it, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for this. Ooh, it's a box in a box. Get rid of that box. Oh, that's every box. Okay, let's try this one again. Oh, it's another box, a blue box. There we are. Don't know whether you can see that because the light's shining off it, but let's open it up. See that a bit better now, can't you? Right. There we go. Let's get this one out of the way. Now, I've only seen the covers for this. I haven't seen any of the artwork inside. Nothing. So, this is going to be quite interesting for me. Right. So, let's get volume 1 out. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Yeah, just admiring that. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so we've got some more stuff here. I like some of this. I like seeing the end papers just to see what's on there. It's quite cool. Storm and Swords, Volume 1, Steel and Snow. Well, they actually named the volumes this time. Presumably like they did in the paperbacks. They split the paperbacks into two as well. They only split Game of Thrones and Clash of Kings into two for the Folio Society ones as well. So what we've got here? Ravens. Yeah. First printing that. Got the first printing of all of them, I believe. Got Volume 2, Blood and Gold. Who made me put dragons in? Ah. Got a prologue. There we we go. Look at that. I like these ones. This is the first time Jamie's been the character in the main point of view, so that's a new one. So that's that one. Lovely, gorgeous. Put that one aside for the moment. Get the other one. I thought to the cover of this. Oh my god. Now doesn't that look good? I love the colour on that. I don't know whether you can see it well on camera, but it's a gorgeous looking colour. Looks like Danny. I would say that's Danny. Yeah. So, like all the other ones, presumably, this one would also have at the back the oh, another picture. Yeah. Of the family trees, although we've seen a lot of these before. And they have been updated, obviously. There's quite a lot of these ones this time. Nice. But also this is another thing I haven't seen. Look at that. Now that, pretty good. That's King Joffrey, I believe, on the Iron Throne. With the White Walker, and you had the Red Woman last time. Pretty good. And together with the other two. Nice. I'm liking it.